It is asking to write a Python program to display ASCII character from 65 to 90. Here I must tell you about the ASCII notations. So basically a character, for example A, B, exclamation mark, or it can be anything. It should be a character. This have in ASCII format, they have a character value and a decimal value, and also have a hex value. We are the hex is out of scope here, so we won't be discussing about the hex, but we will surely discuss about the decimal. For example, if we talk about the capital A, the ASCII value is 65. The decimal equivalent of the ASCII character value is 65. Alright, for capital B, it is 66. So the conversion from ASCII character to ASCII decimal, from character to the decimal, what we generally use is ORD function. ORD of A, if I print it, it will give me a value of 65. Now what if we need to do vice versa of it, to convert decimal number to its equivalent ASCII character, then we use CHR as a function. Basically CHR, it does is to convert is it is used to convert decimal number to ASCII character value. For example, if I do a CHR of 65, it will give me A. I print it, it will result in A. And let's code it out. The conversion. So basically it is asking me for characters from 65 to 90. So I will use a for loop for I in range 65 to 91, and for every value of I have to convert it. So what I will do is I'll print I, and also do an representation to what it is converted to, and I will use CHR to convert the decimal value into the character, into the ASCII character value, and I will use I here, and let's see if it works. Taking a little bit of time. Okay, there's the syntax error which we can correct it. So it is the code, and it works. So